Hello, YouTube. I'm Eli Fatigued. We're playing some more Cataclysm Dark Days Ahead. We just got back with a ton of stuff. Put down canteen, and we're the 0.5 liter one. Yep. Why am I encumbered on the torso? Molly pack, lab coat. Unload the lab coat. Drop the lab coat. Apple on shirt. And 20 plus 10, 50, 24. 10 from that, 4 from that. That's okay. Okay. Let's have to remember to drop the molly packs. Okay. Go here. I need to yield. I gotta drop stuff. Oh, no. Ammo goes over here. Keep that entrenching tool. Combat knives, I don't need scissors, and I don't need the syringe. Just gonna drop. Probably not drop the cards anymore. So, Rivtech assault rifle with barely any ammo. Scar H with no ammo. Probably still pick that up. Low. Oops. Scar H. That. Good. Alright, and then probably craft a wrap. Yeah, just shoot the rags. And then activate. Yeah. Nice. Wield, and then wear. Nice. Okay. Make it. Wield F, where? Wield F, where F? Saves key presses. Okay. Yeesh. No slime. Lots of slime. Hunting horror. Holy crap. What is this mess? Oh, the yug. Oh my gosh, the yugs. That's what's been killing everything. Look at that. Oh, the Terran reality that's causing all this. I don't think it can see me. Yeah, no. Oh, we go up this way. Go out this way. Find that stupid, bloody, flaming eye. There he is. Oh frick. Oh frick. Oh, that's fake. Alright, so I can't get to the stupid flaming eye fast enough. Okay. What all happened there? Yug. Shadow crawler, which was not real. So not only do we have to deal with the stupid flaming eye, we also have yugs down there. What vehicles do we have? That crappy one, and then this decent one. And I can't do anything with the flaming eye down here. Yugs doesn't matter, but the flaming eye matters. Badly tainted mind, yeah. Yeah, I don't want to do anything until that's gone away. Superman. Dinos are too strong. I never put them in my game. I love the dinosaurs, though. The dinosaurs make me happy. Just leave this place, death everywhere? What do you think I'm trying to do? I just don't want to leave all my crap here. Also, the dinosaur was a hallucination caused by the flaming eye. However, the yugs are a real problem. Thankfully, my dodging is still not too bad. How you doing today, Superman? Okay. That's what I was looking for. Okay, it looks like my speed is back. Yeah, my speed is back. Again. Alright. Where's that flaming eye at? Okay. Being protected, which is annoying. I don't... Zombie scientists can see me. What's he doing? He can see me. He can't now. Okay, here he comes. You play the same start? I just spawned in a lab. And it spawned me underneath one of these. Okay. Flaming eye, it's just sitting down there. See, the thing is, I've got a flaming eye down here. Flaming eye down here somewhere. And then there's a third flaming eye wandering around somewhere that I don't know where. They're only going to cause me more problems. unless I take care of them. So, Flaming Eye. Let's see me. I change targets. Tap cycle. And damage. Come here, buddy. Come on. Okay. Alright. So, that magazine. Okay. 308, 308. 762 is 308, right? It's... Oh, is it because I have it favorited? Is it that dumb? Yeah, it's because I have it favorited. That's stupid. That's extremely stupid. Okay. Where's it at? Oh, did it move? I think it's fleeing away from me. I think it's scared of me. Wow. What items do we have here? A book. Orders of the Samurai and Chemistry Textbook. Got both of those. Butcher knife, got one. Probably grab one of the autoclaves from down there before I leave. Maybe I'll grab this one. Fine. I just make autoclave pouches. Or did I have to... I probably have to find the autoclave pouches. Well, that's the case. Oh, there it is. I can. This right here. Tupperware. Oh, it's through a vehicle. I see it, and it sees me. Looks like I chased it off. I'm happy to hear that. Guess you don't have to kill it if you can just chase it off. Ooh. What do you want? I will kill you. Leave me alone. Leave me alone. Alright. Where... Oh, there's the third flaming eye. Something killed it. Something killed a lot of things and then smashed its way out of here. I'm glad it's no longer here. two of them now? Oh, there's two of them. One's dead. Nope. One's almost dead. That's right, you better run away. Small slimes or whatever. Good. Now, the only thing is, I need to be able to get through this wall into this cargo truck, one of these walls, to be able to get to one of the other vehicles. So I don't have to go all that way around. So that's the issue I'm facing here, because I don't want to have to drag all my stuff out through there. Find some way, break down one of these walls. I think that some way is a vehicle. Now the flaming eye is pacified. Oh, Chihuahua. Frick. I got spotted by the flaming eye repeatedly. I didn't realize that happened until after it happened. Alright, wield F. Okay. Completely exhausted my ammo. I cannot do that again. Can't keep using ammo like that. The only way I was going to kill that thing. Okay. Think. Alright. Yes. Molly pack got ripped up pretty bad. Gosh. Dang, flaming eye. We'll kill you, flaming eye. Yeah, I know. Said I shouldn't be using ammo like that, and here I am using ammo like that. Alright, know what I'm gonna do. Wait till my sight returns now. In the corner there. If it's in the corner, Crouch. I think that worked. I think it worked. No more flaming eye for me. Hey. Alright. Now let's break a hole open in that wall there. The right. The left, I mean. Yep. Worth it. Worth every bit of pain. Now I can go get that cargo van. Cargo truck. Because this doesn't have storage at all. Got back seats. Oh, back seats are a thing now. Huh. And I would take that hippie van if I hadn't destroyed it. So, we're going to take this. That. Crap. I forgot it's double thick. No, I shouldn't do that. Could you use one that actually has a seat belt? My what now? Oh, stupid Yug. Good thing I got a bunch of purifier. Auto 4? That's crap. I need to end the episode here. YouTube, thank you for joining us. I've been Eli the Fatigued. Don't forget to like, comment, and or subscribe if you've enjoyed any part or dimension of this episode. Watching. See you in the next one. Bye-bye.